Hello, I am Lucy. Today we are going to practice spoken English. Today's topic is self-introduction. Whenever you meet someone for the first time, first thing you do is self-introduction. Let's practice how you'll introduce yourself. We will take a situation in which you're going to introduce yourself in front of a class full of students. First thing in introduction is greeting. You can greet as per time and situation. For example, good morning, good afternoon, hello. Let's practice first line of introduction. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lucy. After telling your name and age, you should move on to your age. For example, I am 21 years old. After age, moving on to where do you come from. For example, you can say, I am from Canada, or you can say, I was born in Canada, but now I live in USA. Let's practice how it will sound all together. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lucy. I am 21 years old. I was born in Canada, but now I live in USA. It sounds great, right? Well done. You spoke well. Let's move on to next line of our self-introduction. After telling about your name, where do you come from, etc., now it's time to tell about your current work, whether you're a student or working professional, etc. For example, I am a college student. Next, you can tell about your hobbies. For example, I like to dance, paint, teach, sing, play, read, ride bicycle, etc. Let's practice everything all together. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lucy. I am 21 years old. I was born in Canada, but now I live in USA. I am a college student. I like to paint and ride bicycle. Next, you can tell about your aspirations, like what do you want to become in future? For example, you can say, I want to become a pilot. Self-introduction is all about telling about yourself so that other person can get to know who are you. You can add other details as well, like your education background, your strengths. For example, I am good at badminton, or I am empathetic, disciplined, etc. Now let's practice. End of self-introduction. How will you end it? You can say, this was all about myself. Thank you. Now let's practice from beginning to end in classroom setting in front of students, the example we wrote earlier. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lucy. I am 21 years old. I was born in Canada, but now I live in USA. I am a college student. I like to paint and ride bicycle. I am empathetic, kind, and disciplined. I want to become a teacher in future. This was all about myself. Thank you. Dear learners, so today you learned all about self-introduction. In next class, I will teach you some interesting and important topic so you can become fluent at spoken English. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to Spoken English Tutorials and become a part of our community.